how to transfer Facebook account to another mobile number. What we'll do is open our Facebook, and after opening our Facebook, we'll click on our menu, which is on the bottom right corner, and after clicking on it, we can simply scroll and we can click on our settings and on settings and privacy. Then after clicking on our settings and privacy, we have to click on our Meta account center, then on personal details, which is right there. And after clicking on it, we can simply click on the contact info and click on add new contact. After clicking on it, you can simply add your phone number or your email, and after that you have to enter the new mobile number which you want to add in this particular Facebook account. Then you can simply add the number. Here I am adding mine, and then you have to do is you have to change and you have to select the particular Facebook account. If you have a lot of account, I have selected mine, and then you have to change your country wherever you live or wherever this number is from. You can simply choose the country. After choosing it, you can simply click on change and you'll get a verification code on your number, and you have to add it. And yeah, that is how you can transfer Facebook account to another mobile number very easily.